How to change Google Maps view on Android. If you want to change the map style or view in Google Maps, this video will show you how to switch between different map types and details. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android phone. Tap the Layers icon in the top right corner. Under Map Type, you'll see options such as Default, Satellite, and Terrain. You can also customize the map using options under Map Details, including traffic, public transport, cycling, 3D, street view, wildfires, and air quality. For example, to view real-time traffic, select Traffic and close the menu. Google Maps will now display traffic information on the map. If you want to switch to Satellite View, tap the Layers icon again and select Satellite. Close the menu, and Google Maps will now display the satellite map view. That's how you can change the Google Maps view on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.